I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by downloading Visual Studio 2022 Community from the official site. Run the installer and choose Desktop Development with C++. Include the C++ 17 toolset and 60 4-bit compilers. Select optional components like Git, CMake, and Clang tools for flexibility. Install updates and restart your machine if prompted to complete setup. Launch Visual Studio and sign in with a Microsoft account to sync IDE settings and extensions across devices. Open Visual Studio and choose Create a New Project, then Console App in C++. Name your project and choose an empty folder for clarity. In Project Properties, set configuration to Release and Platform to x64 for optimized builds. Under C++ Language Standard, select ISO C++ 17. Add source files using Add New Item and name them with a CPP extension. Build the solution using Ctrl+Shift+B and run without debugging using Ctrl+F5 to view the console output. Place breakpoints by clicking the editor margin or pressing F9 on desired lines. Start debugging with F5 to enter the Visual Studio debugger and hit breakpoints. Inspect variables in the locals and watch windows to evaluate runtime values and expressions. Use the Call Stack window to trace function calls and jump to source code frames. For dependencies, use VCPKG and Configure C. Make projects inside Visual Studio for reproducible builds. Use tasks and launch profiles to customize build and debug commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.